Hello, YouTube. What's up, and welcome to yet another episode of my Forex Weekly analysis. As you all know, it's Boy 11 from the Traders in Between. And on today's episode, I'll be walking you guys on the top pairs I'll be trading for this week. So, first on our list, I think we'll be trading, I'll be looking at uh, opportunities on these six pairs. So first on our list, we have CAD JPY. So on CAD JPY, we always start our analysis from the daily time frame. Though I sometimes dive into the weekly time frame, but all of my analysis are always taken from the daily time frame. So first, what we want to identify is this was a previous low in the market here, where the market broke out from, we tested it and gave us a continuation down to this low. So when the market got to this low, as you can see, it could not break below this level. That was why it had to trade back into the previous support level to see if we can gather momentum here to take it back down. Don't get it twisted. We will have our most recent daily high around here. So as long as we are still below this high, that means we are still very much bearish on this pair. So what I would want to be waiting for the market to do is for the market to trade from this level back into the previous support level, or let me bring out this to where the hell are you? Oh wow. Okay, here's it. Okay, so since we've already established that this is our resistance level and this is our support level, the market need as much liquidity as possible to be able to break out from this level, but it just couldn't do that. So what we'll be looking at for now is for to see the market reaction around this level to sell, or for the market to tap into this. Um, Let me just mark it out with a box or two lines. Okay, if there's still very much buy momentum on this market, that means the market will eventually push a little bit higher into this level to drop, or you can just start seeing potential selling to the downside from here. So how will I take advantage of this trade? I would go to the lower time frame to execute the market as quick as possible in order for me to be able to use a little stop loss to catch the whole move. You can get your entry from your 4-hour time frame. You can get your entry from your 1-hour time frame, depending on which work best for you. So, with that being said, on card JPY, okay, somebody said I should give the potential buy move if the sell did not work. So, if we are not going to take a sell in the market, let me just remove this level. This is what I'm looking at. So as the market is here, I want to see a sell below from this level. This is where I want to be taking my sales from. Or if that does not work out, then I would wait for a breakout of this level, retest to buy. So this is what I'm expecting on card JPY. So next on our list, we have USD. JPY. As you can see, USD JPY has been very, very bearish. This is the last low. We have our resistance level around here, a new low here. So what I want to see on this pair is for the market to come into this level, give me some sign of bearish rejection to continue to the downside. So I'm bearish on USD JPY, and for the potential bullish move, I will want to see, let me see from the 4-hour time frame. I would want to see the market breaking above this level right here. So for the sell, I want to take sales below this black line to the downside. Then for the buy move, I want to see the market break above this 4-hour resistance. We're testing it. That is pretty much what I'm waiting for on. Let me do it from the daily time frame. That's exactly what I'm waiting for on USD JPY. But I'm more bearish than bullish on this particular pair. So I don't know. We can eventually just see USD JPY from this level just start melting. We don't know yet. But personally, I'll be waiting for price to come and tap this support level, use it as a resistance to drop down to the, we'll go back to our support level. So next on our list, we have Euro JPY. So on Euro JPY daily time frame, what do we see? When the market was around this resistance level, let's do it from here. This was our resistance level, the major resistance level. As you can see, the market is coming back to tap into this major resistance level. And this is the support level. See, when the market broke out from this level, there was no much momentum. You see, okay, let's use this as an example. This was a previous low in the market. You see the market created lower low, lower high, lower low. This is indicating that I want to break. I eventually broke this structure level. You see the momentum, you see the huge volatility that caused this breakout and came back to retest it then. Just continuation like that. So that is exactly what I was expecting around this level, a huge breakout like so. Then retesting it will continue. But there was not much momentum in the market for the market to eventually break. So as you can see from this side, it's obvious that there was a lot of buyers sitting around this zone to take the market back into its resistance level. So on this particular pair now, I will be looking for sell from this level back into the support level. Or for the buy move, though it's not that huge, I'll be waiting for a breakout, retest, and then take the buy back into this level. So this is exactly what I'll be waiting to see on Euro JPY. So next on our list, we have GBP JPY. I think my network is kind of very slow. Okay, sorry guys, my network was a bit bad. So next on the list, we have GBP JPY. As you can see, GBP JPY created a resistance level around here and created a support level here. And the markets, you see, some traders would see this and identify this as a break of structure, but this was just liquidity. The market took out liquidity on this level, and then you see how it sold. So coming to next week, what I want to see is, you see, when the market was going up, it gave us a daily bullish market structure. around here. As you can see now, there's a bullish market structure here. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame to see what actually happened there. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this was actually where the market changed structure around here. So the market created a breakout, retest, and then it just melted all the way to the downside. So you can see how the market broke out from this major level here, and it never retested it in the past. Even when it broke out from this level, gave us a bullish momentum move, and it never retested it. So it is safe to say that this GBP JPY came back to retest these two levels. And now, on this week, what I will be planning to see on this market, let me just take out this level because I will not be needing it. So let's just go back to the daily time frame. What I want to see now is for the market to create some sort of structure below this level here. And this is where I would want to be taking myself from this level back into this level. Then for the buy scenario, I would wait for the market to take out this whole level here for me to start looking for buy. So for now, I am more bearish than bullish. So this is what I'm looking at for now. I want to see structure forming below this level to take this market to the downside. So next on the list, we have GBP CAD. GBP CAD, it was quite trickish this past weeks because on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have a huge momentum breakout. So this was supposed to be a retest for us to, go back into this high. But with what I'm seeing now, I'm a bit skeptical about the buy. So let's take, for example, this is our low. See what the market is actually doing. Creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high. So we can clearly anticipate that the market is coming back to clear this low. This is a very beautiful market structure. So going into this week, what I want to see is let's identify the previous low. This is where I will be taking my sales from. So I want to see the markets giving me some sort of momentum or bearish market structure on the lower time frame for me to follow the market back into this low. So for the buy move, I don't think I'm even bullish on this market anymore. I think I would rather just go with the bearish. I feel like this is not even the major move the market is coming to. I think the market is coming back down here. But in case it's not coming down here, I feel if the market gets to this point, this is where we would know for sure if the market will eventually start buying up again or break below to continue to the downside. So let's see what next. That's all for GBP CAD. I think this is the last pair on the list, gold. Gold, if you ask me, I would say gold is coming back and give us that deep retracement we have been looking for on the daily time frame. Although there's some sort of zone around here, which I don't trust 100%. So personally, I would say gold is coming back into the area of 3,165. But in case that does not happen, let's go into the 4-hour time frame to see. What I will be really, really, really happy to see is for gold to come back into this level and then shoot back up. Or if it would not come back into this level, I want to see from a much more lower time frame that gold will break this level, break out with a huge momentum, retesting it to continue to the upside. So I'm not bearish yet on gold. This bearish move that a lot of you can actually participate on this bearish move, but I will not be interested in these sales because overall, from the daily time frame, we are bullish, and I don't like to counter trade unless the space between this 4 hour structure back into the daily structure is very far. What I mean is, if this was a structure around here now, this is the daily structure here. This market should be doing something like this quickly around all of this level. So I would be very much glad to take the sell around somewhere around here or here back into this level rather than see how it just came. See how it's just coming into this level with a very, very deep retracement, something like so. See the momentum here, 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 here. So taking this sell will not be bad, but I would want to be taking the buy from this level back up. So that is where I'll be looking for buy on gold. I'm bullish on gold. I'm not bearish on gold. So guys, that is all. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this my YouTube channel as it will help me grow. And I'll be posting the link to my Telegram channel where I'll be posting all of these trades for free. So you can join the Telegram channel. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys next week. And I hope you have an amazing trading week.